Well, I just had some amazing coffee from up the street. God, I love where I'm living. So anyway, this is... Well, let's go ahead and start with this. Do you know what this is? This is a Chromebook. This is an Asus Chromebook Flip 101. And I've already replaced this battery once, and I still have an extra just sitting around, just for the fuck of it. So, why are we doing this? Well, I just ordered this power jack. So this is the name of the power jack right there. Right? Just got it off of Amazon. Man, I love living in the age I do. And I have this suspended right there, and I want you to look really closely at the two different jacks. Now, you're going to get a little bit of a... I mean, these jacks are teeny, but if you can see what I'm talking about, see what I'm saying? Like, that's the jack that caught on fire. Matter of fact, the other part of it is... There we go. This is what actually caught on fire there. Look at that. Yeah, dude. I'm not kidding. That's not me either. That's not my hot glue or anything. This 12-volt DC jack just said, see the hell later, I'm going to catch on fire. And yeah, dude, it was smoking. And good power supply because it just kept on feeding it like a trooper. But you can definitely tell what I'm talking about here. I mean, it's just, yeah. I mean, see what I'm saying? That's the brand new connector right there. It looks great. But the other connector, not so much. In fact, if we try to go ahead and, I'm going to try to see if I can bend it a little bit so you can see on the inside. This is one of the reasons why, like, it just chewed it up, man. And I'm sorry about the image quality, but this is about the highest magnification you're getting. I mean, that is a tiny, tiny connector. It's like a micro HDMI connector damn near. So you can tell the whole thing just said, see you later, we're going to go burn up. And I don't know why it did this, but yeah. So be very careful about your third-party chargers, number one. And just look at how big my finger is. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's my finger. Dude, see what I'm saying? It's tiny, okay? But a lot of power goes through that little jack. So, and again, the other one, we take a good look. So you can clearly see the connectors there. And even so, the plastic does not look like super great quality if you think about it. Now I'm going to go ahead and bend this down and see if we can probably see. I don't think we can. Nah, it probably won't work. I mean, again, we're working at really high magnification here. But you can kind of see the top one right there. And I'm focusing this through one of my lenses, as you can tell, because you see what I mean? And there's a reason why I'm doing this. You can actually see the image, but see what I'm talking about? It's tiny. So a lot of power goes through that little thing. You can tell from the jaws. Yeah, when you get up close, you realize just how things are made. But, yeah. And so I'm going to be replacing that on this board here. So let's remove that real quick and add some additional light just for the heck of it. So we're going to go and zoom out. And so this is where it fits on the board right there. Okay? And right there is where it comes in. And then from here, it goes through this little cable, goes through there, and then it connects right there. Don't worry about that. I have some stuff on my fingers not hurt. Anyway, so you can tell it's kind of dusty. I don't really like dust, so I'm going to kind of clean that off a little bit. But again, the other thing I really have to fix on here is that one of my speakers, always one of your speakers always goes out. Don't really know why either. But I'm going to order a pair. You can get them by the pair anyway. But I'm just going to order another pair and put it in there. Or if I can just find like one of these books that are, just in parts condition, that's probably what I'm going to do. But more than likely, I mean, these things are still going for like over $200 online. I mean, I bought mine for like 99 bucks. Like, actually $90. So, it's been a great little machine too. I mean, really, from the Chromebook perspective, this is the machine to get, man. I love this thing with the touchscreen, the portability, everything else. The next thing we're going to be fixing is the screen itself, because it has like a clip thing in there, but for some reason it's not clipping down anymore. So we're gonna look into that. Anyway, I am getting my lights out of the way. So I'm gonna be doing the install, and again, it's really simple, dude. Just put the thing there, route the cables, and put it there. I'm not gonna show you how to do that, but I wanted to let you know that's pretty much all that's involved. Okay, it's not hard. Pretty simple stuff to do. Just don't manhandle it. Very important. Do not manhandle it. Don't use a metal screwdriver. Use the right tools, man, and you'll be okay. Alright, see you later.